This video will serve as a refresher on how to replace images or generally manage your content slideshow. If you want to put a new image in, first you'll need to create it in some sort of image editing software such as Photoshop. Here you can see that the image that we have will be created at 947 pixels wide by 269 pixels high. Once you've created that image, you will be able to upload it and from there manage it within your content slide show. You'll log into your WordPress admin. The first thing you're going to need to do is actually upload that image you created and put it in the media library. So we'll go down to Media and Add New. And now I can select a file from my computer and now it's uploading. You can see that it's got the image, and you can title it anything you want. This is an opportunity to add a little SEO by using keywords. And I'm not sure what you'll want for alternate text. For now, I'm just going to put in your name, but this can be changed later. And here's the important part, the file URL. This is what you are going to need for your content slideshow. So we're going to select that and copy it. All right, so now our image is in our image library. We can go down to Content Slide. Here are the general settings. You probably aren't going to change these actual slideshow settings very much, but just so you know, this gives you the width and the height, and it sets the font family, background color, so forth, and effects, animation. You're going to go all the way down to the image source. Let's say you wanted it to have 6 images in the slideshow instead of 5. What you would do is change this number of custom images to 6 and save the settings. Once you save the settings, you can now go back down and you'll see that it has added a place for a 6th image. SRC means source, the image source, and that's the URL that we copied when we uploaded our media. Don't worry about this part of these links. That's a temporary link while we're still building the site. Once the site is launched, that will be your regular domain name. Here is where you can link it, as we have above, to different pages on the site. For now, since this is just an example, we're just going to copy that and paste it in here, but this would link to whatever page you wanted your new image linked to. This heading, as you can see from the one above, is that text that appears in the purple stripe. And so this is simply a test image. We'll save that setting. Now let's take a look at our slideshow. And if we've done this correctly, we should now have a 6th image. And of course, right now it's just an image that already exists, but in the real world, it would be your new image. And there we are, test image. You can see the text that we put in. So that's how you add an additional slide to the slideshow. Let's go back, content slide, and we are going to take that last one out, and so we're going to change number of custom images to 5. We're going to save the settings, and now you can see we have our original 5 without the 6th one that we added in. On the existing ones, if you want to change the picture, all you would do is take the URL, you would go through the same, create your new image, upload the new image to the media library, copy the source URL. Once you've copied the source URL, decide which image you want to replace, and you simply replace the source of the existing one with the source of the new one. If you want to change text, you look up the link. If you want to change the text on it, you change the heading. It's as simple as that. Let's say that you wanted to actually link the image to a page. You can see that we don't have a link on that first image. So let's go to our site. And let's say that this very first one we wanted to link to About. A quick way to grab the link that you need is to click on About, and you can see that the relative link, the one without the domain name, is /about/. So now that we have selected that and copied it, let's go back to our slideshow. And we will put that in the image 1 link. We'll go down and we will save the setting. Now let's go back and visit our site again. And when I click on that first image, it brings me to the About page. And that is how you handle your slideshow settings.